Welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a truly fascinating story to share with you, one that will leave you inspired and ready to embrace abundance in your own life. So grab a seat, relax, and get ready to unlocking unlimited prosperity. Trust me, this is one video you don't want to miss. Imagine this. You're a treasure hunter, and the universe is the ultimate treasure chest. But here's the catch. You need to be ready to receive that treasure. It's not just about saying affirmations or visualizing your desires. It's about being mentally prepared to accept the blessings that the universe wants to give you. Are there any beliefs or conditioning that might be holding you back from fully receiving abundance? Maybe you've been conditioned to believe that you don't deserve wealth, or that it's selfish to desire prosperity. Acknowledge these barriers and make a conscious choice to release them from your mind. To illustrate this, let me share a story. A housewife who had been practicing the law of attraction for years. She recently discovered a mistake she had been making. She kept referring to her income as a fixed income, unknowingly limiting her expectations of financial abundance. Once she realized this, she started affirming daily, "I am receiving. I'm getting it now. I'm getting all the wealth the universe has for me right now." And guess what? Within hours, she received a call from a local business to start a business. Not only did this opportunity bring substantial income, but it also opened doors to even more prosperous ventures. Money seemed to flow from all corners of the universe. These stories serve as a powerful reminder that when we shift our mindset and embrace the belief that nothing is too good to be true, incredible things start happening. We begin attracting opportunities, resources, and abundance from unexpected sources. It's like the universe responds to our newfound readiness to receive and showers us with blessings. Some people would often find themselves saying things like, "I'll never be wealthy," or "money is always a struggle for me." These negative beliefs held them back from realizing their true potential. Begin by seamlessly integrating affirmations of prosperity into your daily routine. These are powerful, positive statements that you can repeat to yourself regularly like a personal mantra. For instance, you can affirm, "I am a magnet for wealth and success, and money flows to me effortlessly." Now, the magic truly happens when you continue to practice these affirmations consistently. It's not just about saying these words, it's about wholeheartedly believing and embodying them. As you do, something truly remarkable will start unfolding in your life. You'll notice that opportunities, ones you might have never anticipated, will begin presenting themselves. These could be in various forms like unexpected job offers, chance encounters with influential individuals, or invitations to exciting new ventures. It's as if the universe, in response to your newfound mindset of abundance, starts aligning circumstances and events to bring you closer to your desires. When you make the conscious choice to release those limiting beliefs that have held you back, you're essentially setting yourself free from the chains of doubt and scarcity. It's like shedding an old, heavy coat that no longer serves you. As you bid farewell to these limiting beliefs, you create space within yourself for a new mindset to flourish, a mindset rooted in prosperity and boundless possibilities. It's akin to preparing a fertile garden bed to sow the seeds of abundance. Now, here's where the real magic unfolds. This shift in mindset has the potential to completely revolutionize your life. Imagine moving from a place of constant struggle, where every step feels like an uphill climb, to a life brimming with tremendous success and fulfillment. Success in various forms will start manifesting in your life, be it in your career, relationships, or personal growth. You'll find that opportunities seem to gravitate towards you, as if drawn by an irresistible force. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable will transform into stepping stones toward your goals. But it's not just about the external changes. This transformation goes deeper, touching the core of your being. You'll experience a profound sense of fulfillment and contentment, a feeling that you're living in alignment with your true self and purpose. In essence, by releasing limiting beliefs and cultivating a mindset of prosperity, you embark on a remarkable journey. one that leads from the shadows of doubt into the radiant light of abundance and fulfillment. Remember, my friend, you have the power to manifest your desires and create a life of abundance. Embrace the principles and start affirming your own prosperity. Believe in the limitless possibilities that await you, and watch as the universe conspires to bring you wealth, success, and joy. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on personal growth and development. Thank you for spending this time with me, and dive deeper into mindful living by watching our previous video on how does gratitude truly transform one's life.